Hi guys, welcome back. It's Tim from the iPhone Repairman. Today, we're fixing this iPhone 11. We're just getting into this thing here. Just rip this case off. We're just using our Pentalobe screw. We're just going to undo these and take them out. Lay them onto my magnetic mat. So you notice how that's magnetic, it keeps it there. That way if I need to move them and do a different job quickly, I can just pick it up and move the mat without everything going everywhere. It's a pretty good little idea. So I'm just using this little metal spudger thing and just get in under there. I start in this bottom corner down here and then just run it out and around up the side of the screen to undo that glue. A little bit of stickiness up in there, and then I just prop it open and then run down there on this side. But on this side, be very careful, there's cables just there. I'm just sticking just the very tip of it in, like a millimeter is all it's going in. You can see the screen's pretty well buggered on it. Still moves. There's no need to turn these off before when you do them because we're about to unplug the battery anyway, so just pop that off of there. So there you go. As you can see inside of here with the stickers and the stamps and things like that, she's been repaired before, and we just get the Y bit is what this here is. It's a Y screwdriver. And before I was calling it a tri bit or something, but yeah, tri, 3, Y bit, whatever it is that you want to call it. I know what bit that I need. The one that sits over here. We'll just take these out of there. And what we'll do is rip that plate out. And I use these plastic spudgers. You just grab this little clip down here, this one on this side, and this one on this side, and the whole thing comes off. Then go back to this Y bit. Just slightly unscrew that by a tiny bit and then take these two out, and that way I can just flip that around and undo the battery. We're all done on that side. So now this side, take this earpiece speaker bit out. You need to change it over to your normal Phillips. If you start watching my videos a bit, or if I start making more of them, you'll probably get to notice which bits that I pick up for what I need. The whole thing just fell out of there because obviously the screen's pretty rubbish. Nice and carefully remove that out of there, making sure that you keep that little piece there intact. There's a little bar piece there that shines a light through to get the ambient light and stuff. Now, open up the new screen. I've noticed a lot of people, the screens come with the plastic cover on the back, and you can just peel that off of there. Oh, and that one's not that easy because it's sitting just behind the edge. There we go. You just peel that off of there, and there's another one down here, and you peel that off of there, and that way it's all nice and clean to put the new screen back together. But a lot of people leave those on. I'm not sure why. But as you can tell, doing these iPhone 11s don't really take that much work. They're kind of pretty quick, pretty easy. Just pop these screws back in, pop this one back in here, and then we just layer. I'll put the earpiece speaker one in with the sensors first, then I can do the 2 screen tags nice and gentle, the other one, and then I put that plate back on. Just like that. Picking the screws up off the mat. These are good because they're all fairly well magnetic, so that makes them nice and easy to pick up. And then we just sit that battery back on, flick that battery one back around, screw the battery back in, or the battery plate back in, and that's it. We are all done. Just pop that back into the top first. Down the sides, nice and gentle. Down the other side, everything sits in nice and flat. Press power on. Grab my Pentalobe again. You see the screen starting up. These 2 bottom screws. And she all starts up. There we go. Everything working. Good job. What I might do now is chuck this old tempered glass screen on there. Make sure I've got no dust or anything on my fingers, and turn that around. Peel that one off. That one. sit that down around the camera, the earpiece speaker first, align it with my bottom fingers and run straight down. Easy as that. Just push out those little bubbles there and we are good. Back in the case and off we go. So guys, if you like these videos, make sure that you do leave a like. If you got any other questions or anything like that, make sure you leave in the comments below. We'll read everything and always reply to you. Make sure that you hit that bell icon so you're notified of any more videos that we've got coming up. We're doing some just run through little repairs like this, and we'll do some other tips and things for you. When you ask a few questions and stuff, we might even do a video about answering some of your questions. Alright, catch you later. Happy repairing.